I believe that you know to be is commonly translated as 是 in Chinese, but you might also encounter the situation where your Chinese teacher tells you that 是 is inappropriate in the sentence. 中国菜是好吃。中国菜好吃。天气是很好。天气很好。To be can translate it into 3 different Chinese words, 是, 很, and 在. This video will explain when to use each one. To be used for 是 generally connects to noun or noun phrases. This usage is like confirming the identity or relationship of noun 1 as a noun 2. For instance, 我是学生。我是学生。妈妈是老师。妈妈是老师。小丽是我姐姐。小丽是我姐姐。To be translated as 很 used between a noun and adjective. We use 很 instead of 是 indicating a degree translated as very. For example, 我很开心。我很开心。天气很冷。天气很冷。巧克力很好吃。巧克力很好吃。This sentence structure appears in HSK Book 1, Lesson 6. Adjective can act as predicates, which is a unique feature in Chinese grammar, different from English sentence pattern. The meaning of 很 is not the verb to be, but a degree adverb meaning very, although it's a low degree of very. The third case of to be translated as 在. Let's look at a few examples first. 小猫在椅子上。小猫在椅子上。它在医院。它在医院。我在中国。我在中国。When we describe the subject's location or existence, the verb to be or equivalents at or in are collectively expressed as 在 in Chinese. Here, let's practice a bit. Please choose the correct words to fill in the sentences. Which words we have to use? 很, 是 or 在.他是老师。他是老师。我很开心。我很开心。他在北京。他在北京。天气很好。天气很好。我妈妈是医生。我妈妈是医生。小鸟在树上。小鸟在树上。